This is Pioneer's GM-A6704 car stereo 4-channel power amplifier. The GM-A6704 has a maximum total output rating of 1,000 watts and a nominal power output rating of 60 watts per channel. This amplifier can be operated as a 4-channel amp or in bridge mode for 2-channel or 3-channel operation. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay, let's open this up, and first thing we see here is kind of a hardware pack, and inside this package we get the owner's manual and we get the warranty card. We also get some installation screws, and these are screws that can be used to mount down the amplifier. And we also have a wire harness here for operating the amplifier with speaker level input. So the system can be operated as speaker level input or RCA level input. Well, let's pull the amplifier up out of here. There we go. Now the GM-A6704 is a 4-channel amplifier, so we have an A channel and a B channel. Let's start off with the A channel. And over on the left side here, we have our high-pass filter frequency crossover selector, and we have the switch for the high-pass filter or the low-pass filter. Right here is our gain control for the A channel. And right here we have the input selector, so we can choose between 2-channel and 4-channel operation. Here are the RCA inputs for direct connection to your in-dash receiver. And right here we have speaker level inputs, and remember that there is a speaker level input wire harness included in the box. Here is the gain control for the B channel, the low pass and high pass filter switch for the B channel, and the bass boost for the B channel. On the right hand side of the GM-A6704 you have two 25 amp fuses right here, and here is the main power connection that should run out to your battery. Here's the ground connection and, of course, the system control that connects to the in-dash receiver. GM-A6704 is a 4-channel amplifier, so you have an A-channel output, stereo output, and a B-channel stereo output. Both can be run as stereo or bridged channels. And over here is the power indicator. And that is Pioneer's GM-A6704 and what's in the box.